Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Actually, a quick analysis. So what do we have today? Nothing much. Nothing much. You can see that there is consumer. Okay, consumer confident later. I don't think this is going to move the market that much. Thursday. Let's see. Also, sorry, Wednesday. CPI from Australia. Thursday, unemployment claims, Chair Powell speaks. And on Friday, core PCE. This is one that I think it's going to move the market. This, I think, is going to be something that can move the market. Very nice, you see. So I saw also in China, they did cut their interest rates. I think that will actually have a good move on the overall markets, maybe the likes of Nasdaq, all that, you see. So, yeah. For now, we don't really have much. So, guys, don't forget that you can still be part of our team. You can get that lifetime signal for $59. You can see on the screen. So, but from Monday next week, we are going to continue with the normal prices that you see there. So now we are on a dollar index, still the same as last months. We don't really have much of a movement. The market is just moving around this resistance and support. There you can see that the market, it's actually just consolidating around this level. So which shows us that the market, it actually did not really decide which direction to take. But at the end of the day, I think the market might continue to go lower as we are on this downtrend structure. I hope that makes sense. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. But if you check this level here and that area, it's actually around quite similar zone or the same zone. So maybe the market might respect that and start to go even higher. But if we see a breakout, I think the market might continue to go even lower for quite some time, or maybe the market will try to respect the other zone that it's possible for the market to respect. I'm not saying the market is forced to respect that, but there is a possibility for the market to respect that, you see. But at the moment, it shows us that it's still solid, even though it shows some weakness. We are still at the lowest levels, so, and that it's actually good. I think interest rates cuts, it's not really sinking very well here, but maybe coming weeks we'll see that slowly starting to happen. You see, I think that it's going to be a very good thing. So let's check the other ones. We can see that we did have some very nice trades here on Gbpusd. We've been holding this for quite some time, but now at the moment we can see that the market is trying to go even higher. The market is pushing. So we had this nice resistance there, and it seems like the market did break out. Oh, guys, I'll have to show you how we send the signals. For those who wants to be part of our team, I will be showing you how we send the signals. So now you can see that the market was actually on this resistance. The market was respecting this level. Now we had this breakout. So I'm expecting the market to continue going even higher as the market is actually on this nice uptrend structure. So now you can see that the market is starting to sink in. Everything is starting, or let's say the market was still digesting the interest rates cuts, and this is a very good thing as we start to see the dollar losing that momentum. Other pairs are now actually flying. So let me see if maybe I can show you, for those who maybe don't really understand how we send the signals. Let me go there. I just want to show you guys there is nothing wrong showing you how we send the signals. So yeah, this is what we have. You can see I just sent S&P 500 and also US30, or we also have Nasdaq. You can see this is also how we send the signal. This is how you can see that. You can see that we also have buy stop, entry, stop loss, and TPs. Sometimes also with the screenshots showing you what I see at that time, the time I'm sending the signal, for you to understand, you see. And this is also a good way for you to learn, because if I send you something like this, let's say maybe you are in my mentorship, that is also a very good thing, because These are the things that we do. And at the same time, we also learn, oh, this is how we see the signal. This is how I send the signal, why I said it's a buy or why I said it's a sell, something like that. So yeah, that's how we send the signal. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. So on gold here, you can see that we have also a very nice structure, very nice uptrend structure, still going higher. But on the structure, you can see that the market is still going higher. And what's really happening here is we had a nice buy pending order. But if you can check that, our stop loss was quite closer. And it seems like the market will be playing around these zones here. So which means we have to actually have a nice entry or a nice structure that we can use as a resistance. So once we have that buy, we know that the market is not gonna reverse to that point, because at the end of the day, we are forced to make a tight stop loss. As this, it's a 4 hours time frame, you can see that. So if you make it like that, that is gonna be a crazy loss. So we are forced to make it a little bit smaller, and the market reversed to that point. But at the end of the day, yes, I still believe that we're still going to have a very proper bullish move going further. The market is still on that nice uptrend. Things are aligning very well. Fundamentals, they agree with us. We have Middle East tensions. We also have, which one also? Okay, it's Middle East tension, let's say geopolitics. Rates cuts already happened, Russia, Ukraine and stuff, and this one in the Middle East, it's like tensed at the moment. So which means that can also have a good effect on gold, because this is, it's a safe haven, you see. So most likely gold will be going up. Another thing is the dollar is a bit weaker as they did cut the rates, and they are going to continue to cut the rates. Okay. Russia and Ukraine, they also intensifying their fight, so which means we are actually on a good start to see a continuation of that buy. I think later this year maybe we will be around 30,000. I think we will be reaching that number. It seems to be far, but at the end of the day, I think we will reach this area. Yeah, I might be wrong, but I think the market is going towards that. Remember, there is US elections along the way, so that will also push gold to go up until we get the president. Mostly when there is these elections, there is panic. I don't know what's really happening, but there are some panic. And when there is panic in the stock market, gold tends to perform very well. I hope maybe you understand that. So at the moment, we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We are on this aggressive bullish structure. You can see the market is still going higher. We had this breakout there, and it shows us that, you know what, the market is still going to continue to go even higher. I think with the rate cuts, we did not really see a very proper push to the upside, but at the end of the day, I think now that it's starting to happen, you can see mostly we've been around these levels. So we had this resistant area there, which the market is now breaking out. You can see we have a very nice pending order. If you are part of the team, yes, we have at this buy pending order ready. So check my description. You will also find the free signals group, but don't expect much from that because it's free. So which means you can get 1 or 2 signals per day. But if you join our winning team, that is going to be way too much better for you, because which means you're going to just receive 2 to 6 signals per day, you see. But it doesn't really mean take everything, because you have to know what you're trading. You have to have specific pairs that you're going to focus at. So if you trade everything, that also you have like way too bigger exposure, a risk exposure actually to the market. So you need to have maybe 1, 2, 3 pairs, not 6. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, on US30, we still expect to see a continuation of that nice buy, especially once the market breaks out here. You can see that the market was just consolidating. So once we have that breakout, we expect to see a very aggressive push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So Nasdaq 100. On Nasdaq 100, we also have quite similar structure, but I like this one because it's moving quite slower to the upside. You can see it's something like that, obviously, but we have to draw it maybe from there. You can see that we are coming from this aggressive sell, and then the market tried to reverse, but we see this ranging structure, and this is one of that. So once the market breaks out here, that will be a very proper buy. We expect to see the market continuing going higher at these levels, you see. So I think this can be a very nice structure for us to look at. So let's go straight to US oil and see what's really happening. US oil played games with us, guys. We had a nice sell pending order, and it seems like the market is trying to reverse. So which means you can see the market did trigger our order, smaller profits. Now it's reversing, so which means maybe it wants to reach this level before going down or something. So we have to wait and see, because I was expecting to see a very nice reversal from this level. So maybe the market wants to break out, or maybe the market wants to respect that. So we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, I think this is enough, guys. So I will see you later on, actually, on Trader Nick's channel. I will be there. So yeah, I will catch up at there. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye.